What is the hierarchy of the requirements in Agile? For any project, the requirements are written, business requirements are written, the technical requirements are written, and those are written in a hierarchy. Today I'll explain what is the hierarchy of these requirements. Every requirement starts with a theme. Then we have epic created under that theme. There might be multiple epics. Under an epic, there are features which are created. Then under feature, we have user stories. And the lowest level is task, which the team members, take up one by one. So this is the hierarchy. Most of the tools which are used to manage the requirements, they have this kind of a hierarchy built into the tool. This hierarchy is followed for functional as well as non-functional requirements. I have taken an example here to explain this better. So, for example, a theme is a marketplace, which is nothing but an online store. So that is the theme of this project. Within that theme, we have several epics. For example, search is an epic, checkout is an epic, return is an epic, the return of the product. For each epic, we have multiple features. So I have put down here a few features. Payment. So payment is a feature of checkout. So when we have a checkout epic, within the checkout epic, there'll be few features. Payment is one of those. Managing address is one of the features. Cart is also a feature. So there might be more features here. Then we have user stories. I have put down here few user stories. These belong to the payment feature. So for payment feature, we can have a user story, credit card payment method. There might be multiple methods of payment. So credit card payment method is one user story. Pay on delivery is another user story. Paying by UPI method is another user story. And there might be more user stories. There might be few more technical user stories, which is non-functional requirements, NFRs. Right? So I have taken just an example of a payment feature, what kind of stories the payment feature might have. Similarly, cart will have stories here. Add into the cart, delete from the cart, view cart, and etc. Address will have multiple stories. Add address, delete address, update address. Then finally we have task. So tasks are created at the lowest level, which is picked up by a team member, and they work on these tasks. So every user story has a list of tasks. These are some of the examples of tasks. Most of the user stories would have, these kind of tasks. So, building and doing unit testing, which is doing development and unit testing is one task. Maybe creating automation test scripts is another task. Then test execution is another task. There might be tasks to review the code. There might be a task to review the test scenarios. So there might be n number of tasks here. These are just the examples. So this is how the hierarchy is managed for the requirements in Agile. Thanks for watching.